In this quick demo, we'll go over the process for creating a viable snapshot backup of a running MySQL instance and show how to use the snapshot to restore the system, as might be required in the case of accidental data deletion. First, we'll go into the SolidFire user interface and click on Create Snapshot. We'll use the default naming convention, which ends up just being a timestamp. And we'll go back over to MySQL. We'll take a look at what we've got in there. If we list the databases, we find that we have a number of them, including foo. We'll use foo as our example today. So inside foo, we've got a table here called bar, and inside of bar, there's some amount of data. So go ahead and simulate a data failure. Perhaps someone inadvertently drops the database or something like that. So go ahead and drop database foo. And so now we need a now we can see that there's no foo database left. So we're going to need a data restore action. So we have to call the DBA team and fess up to our crimes here. So the first thing we do is we stop the MySQL database. And then, now that that's done, we go ahead and we'll unmount the file system volume. And that's all we really need to do. We don't need to unmount the SCSI target or anything like that. Then we go into the user interface, we roll back to snapshot, and that's it. We can go ahead again and mount the volume under var lib MySQL. And once that's done, we can go ahead and start MySQL again. It'll go through a little bit of recovery running through the log. And once that's over, we'll see that we've got a successfully restored database. Let's go inside and take a look at what's there again. When we list the databases, we'll see that, that foo should be back. Indeed, there it is. So we go ahead and use foo, make sure that the table exists and the data is in the table. Bar is there. Select star from bar, and all of our data is restored. This is a great example of how the enterprise storage features of SolidFire can dramatically slash restore times and completely eliminate backup windows. Over 0.5 terabyte restored in a matter of seconds.